Hello. In the last video, I showed you how to collect information using Survey 123. Before that, I showed you how to design the form and add it to a map. And in this video, what I really like to do is show you how you can access the information that's in this ArcGIS Online web map on a mobile device in an app that works really well on a mobile device. So the application I'm going to use is called Explorer for ArcGIS. You can see I've got lots of mobile apps on my phone. Another good app would be Collector for ArcGIS, which allows me to collect and see the data in a more of a map-centric interface than Survey 123. But really, the audience for this app is someone like a helicopter pilot or helicopter crew who just wants to quickly access their pre-plans and take a look at them on a simple map. So I've opened the Explorer app here. I'm signed in, although I think you can access this without a sign-in. And what I'd like to do is just look for my Air EMS response web map. I'm going to go ahead and open this web map. And what you should see is a map that looks a lot like my ArcGIS Online web map here. I'll go ahead and make my mobile phone a little bit bigger so you can see. And this is just a simple app that I can pinch and zoom to navigate. You'll see in my web map I've got some other operational information in here like recent wildfires, which might be useful. If I click on the map, I can open some pop-ups to get more information. If I hold down, I can use a little target and drop a pin. What I want to do here maybe is just click on this airport and get some more information about it. And then let's go over to our most recently added point. I think we said we were somewhere near Westport, California. Go ahead and head over there. Okay, you may have noticed I just paused the video there. I had to go back and change some of my symbology to make sure it works with the mobile app here. So I went back and made some changes to my web map, which gets us back on track here with Explorer. So again, using ArcGIS Explorer, I searched for Westport. We can go to this town. I can zoom in, and I can see here there's a fire department nearby, and also the point that I just added in Survey 123. And all that information that was entered, such as terrain factors and general comments, are all in there. And if I want, I can even save this as one of my favorite places. Okay, so this is just a general overview of how Explorer for ArcGIS works. I'll put a link in the YouTube comments to give you a better idea. Again, you can do very basic things in here like change to something like a street map that works well at night. We had imagery on there before. I can open up a navigation map that looks a little bit like an Apple or a Google map. We can have predetermined bookmarks. I can even do some simple map SketchUp and share it with other people using the app. But just wanted to give you a general overview of how the Explorer for ArcGIS mobile app will work with your web map, especially this is especially useful with your own institutional knowledge, which you're collecting through Survey 123. I hope you enjoyed this video series. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. I'm going to go have a beer, and I would like to thank Jacob Parker Maloney, who is a flight medic who brought this workflow to my attention, and hopefully this prototype can help him use this approach with his organization. Thanks for watching.